Welcome back to the Band-Aid Show. As you can see, I've already been working on a little something. Well, as we all know, this is our friend, Judy, and this is our friend, Joe Jonas. We picked those names last time we were on the show, and I just thought of this wonderful new theory. Of course, this is an example to all you homeless people out there. If you really want to propose to your true love with a beautiful diamond ring, just simply use a Band-Aid. See? Check out my ring. This is an example of what you can do. And I have many, many jewels. The list goes on and on and on. And so all you gotta do is, let's see, we don't need all this. All you have to do is just take a simple skinny Band-Aid, wrap it around your true love's finger, and simply glue one of these diamond jewels. Or if you want to go for something a little more exotic, you could do one of these. Now, how amazing is this? Well, anyway, I hope you enjoy my Band-Aid show. Bye! Oh wait, time's not up yet. Maybe next time. I think I'm going to go with a jewel, such as, which one do you think? I have a lot more time than I thought I did. Well, which jewel should we use next time? I personally think that we should use this, how about this one? Or this one? One of these three. Oh, the emerald. We'll use that one next time. So send in your ideas, and we'll make a cool video. Bye!